Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Venmo with the Taco Bell app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and pay for Taco Bell using Venmo. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Taco Bell app. Next, click on Profile on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and click on Payments. Then on this page here, click on Payment Options. So on this page, you're going to see a variety of different payment options. Go ahead and click on Venmo in order to set it as your default payment. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Venmo with the Taco Bell app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.